Parts of the North Bay, as we were mentioning, starting to finally see a break from all the heavy stuff. But as Lawrence mentioned, they're still dealing with the flooding.
KRON 4's Gail Ong gives us a closer look in Sonoma County.
Driving along Star Road near West Mark Station Road in Windsor, vineyards and driveways submerged in water. A few miles across town, the Windsor Golf Course underwater, turning into a lake. This after days of relentless rain from an atmospheric river flooding parts of Sonoma County and the North Bay. In Santa Rosa, record rain swamped local roads like this known trouble spot, River Road and Slusser Road, where one man lost his car. The car has since been towed away, but we found this man watching a friend get stuck near the same area.
Yeah, she called me to help her. I said, I can't go through here. It's 3 feet deep. They put that sign right there. I mean, if you look, it says 3 feet. It's about this deep right there. I mean, if you don't have a big monster truck, you're not going to go by it right there.
Most of the flooding problems happened at creeks like Mark West Creek, but concerns now about the Russian River rising this weekend. The first significant storm of the season also triggered mudslides in and around the North Bay. Locals plan to stay on top of preparations before the next storm. And driving in and around rural Sonoma County, you can expect several road closures like this one due to flooded streets until further notice. Reporting here in Santa Rosa, Gail Ong, KRON 4 News.